Hey, it's Matthew, and these are all the Hot Wheels 2024 car culture chases.
I'd appreciate if you guys can hit that like button as it really helps my channel.
Here's a sneak peek of some 2025 car culture chases. For Hammer Drop, the chase will be this Lancia Stratos Zero. For the highly anticipated Silhouettes Drop, the chase will be this Liberty Walk McLaren 720S. For the Off-Road series, the chase will be this 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. Thanks for watching, be sure to like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite car culture chases from 2024.